I do this for a living, you still getting used to it. It's all or nothing for my music, don't abuse it, lose it.
What's up, guys? It's your boy B Rice, aka North Carolina's favorite California transplant. And today we're just gonna run a little vlog. We're gonna do a little vloggy style. It's dark. It's like 7:30. Wait. Yeah, it's like 7:30. It's dark. It's been raining all day. I've been stuck in the house. But my buddy Kenny just shot me a message and said that he's shooting a model tonight and that I could come through and film it. So we're gonna head over there and we're gonna see what he's shooting today. Ask him some questions and maybe even sneak in some shots. So I'll see you guys in just a second. We made it. Check out downtown. Gotta get my gear out. So many steps. Here we go. Hello.
What's up? Walking in.
It's Kenny, guys.
Get out of my face. Nikki, Bryce, Nikki.
Yeah, I made it.
Get out.
Up the steps. Oh my God.
It's cold out there.
It's cold. It's still raining too. It sucks.
Yeah.
Wow. You guys even see me? It's dark. Hold on 1 second. Alright, that's better. So, I'm eating. Because I'm hungry. Kenny's next door in the studio with Nikki. They're shooting. Me, I'm eating. And we're done. Kenny says it's my time to shoot, so I'm gonna head over there. See, literally right next door. Fun, right? Oh, almost turned my camera that way. You guys can't see that yet.
What kind of dress?
Whoosh. I'm not trying to get banned from my YouTube. This Kenny's Facebook, guys, look. Let me see some shots.
Oh, dude, I love this.
Focus. There we go. Oh, yeah. All right, Kenny, tell us about this lighting setup.
What would you like? Don't put me in camera though. what do you want to know?
What do you got? How many lights?
4 lights.
4 lights.
1 background light.
1 background light.
2 kicker lights.
2 kicker lights.
And 1 main light.
Main light. Beauty dish.
Beauty dish, F8.
Beauty dish with a grid. That's almost in Rembrandt, guys, like my previous video. We got 2 kickers here and here. Background light he's talking about is up here, giving that little halo right behind her on the gray wall. All right, shoot it, sir. All right. Now, tell us what we're doing, Kenny.
I'll film it while you do it.
Here, that one's mine. Alright guys, Kenny doesn't like doing this, but I do. So, we're metering light right now, so I am acting as the model.
on, which I think it's already.
All right, so Sconic and I don't, probably not.
This way.
So we're metering main light first.
We can.
All right, main light, guys, is this beauty dish right here. It's on a boom. Be camera right. So, yep. 5'6".
No way.
Pop it again. 6'3". 6'3". Yep, 6'3".
Hit that one.
ISO 100, shutter speed 160.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
You want it that way?
Yeah.
Hold on, one more time. 5'0".
That's right.
5'0".
That's exactly. That's good.
6'3". That's probably getting bleed from that.
Yeah. So that's close enough.
Yep.
That's how we go.
That's how you meter lights with Kenny. I'm being a good assistant. I'm working the power levels on the lights. So I'm gonna go up. This one's at quarter power.
Quarter power is probably gonna be about right.
You want me to get the other one?
Right. No, I think that one's fine because that's what we're metering that one. Like 6'3". There we go. Where your feet are, that's gonna be the spot. Now we're getting killer. That looks great now.
Oh yes, I love that.
I mean, that animated look. Light looks big on the sides too, Bryce.
Does it?
Yeah, look at that.
Right? This way?
Yeah. Now when you lean, you should be right in that way.
Yes. My turn.
Good emotion in that.